Welcome to this HOTS help video explaining how to make refurbishment decisions within the program. Scrolling down, we can now see all of the decisions we have available to us within the program. First of all, we can see that we can choose our refurbishment budget. By default, this will be set to mid-range. The majority of hotels within HOTS will begin within this mid-scale and mid-range level. If you're wishing to be more of an economy or lower level property, you can select the economy option. If you're wishing to rise up and become more of an upscale or luxury level, you can tick the luxury option. Underneath, we then have our rooms and our public areas. So we've got standard, executive and suite bedrooms, our restaurant, bar, front desk and conference space. All of these areas we can see we've got our level system, and this works in a similar way to other areas within the program. Level 1 is the most basic, Level 2 the mid-level, and Level 3 the highest. Level 1 here represents what we would call deep cleaning. And this is a higher level of cleaning than you would have on a normal housekeeping day. This involves shampooing carpets, moving fixtures and fittings, and really doing a thorough clean. And this helps to maintain current quality levels and slightly improve the level of refurbishment within the property. Level 2 is the same as Level 1 and also includes replacing and removing some items and replacing those with new. Level 3 is a complete renovation program which involves removing all items, starting from scratch and beginning again. With our rooms, you'll see on the right hand side of the page here, so at the moment I've said we're going to do Level 2 for our standard rooms, and I've chosen we're going to do 25 bedrooms. With the public areas, if we select an option here, we refurbish the whole area at the same time. Now it's important to note that with this area, unlike many areas within HOTS, all of these decisions will reset each month. This is deliberate to ensure that you don't accidentally renovate an area 2 or 3 months in a row if you forget to come back and check this area. So if you do wish to do the same or continue to do a renovation program each and every month, you'll need to come back and re-enter those decisions. Again, as with all other areas within HOTS, in the top right hand corner we have the white question mark on the blue background. If we click on that help file, it's going to give us more information to help us make these decisions across this area. Now, looking over the left hand side of the page, you'll notice we have a menu of items which is going to give you more information. The second option here is called Overview. If I click that, this is going to give you an overview of those 3 refurbishment levels that I've just walked you through. It's then going to tell us our time in terms of days, so each level and each area, how long those will be out of service. And then finally, it's going to tell us our costs for each area. You'll need to study this. It's always important, of course, to budget and plan effectively in order to make these decisions to meet your strategic goals. 2 key pieces of advice here. It's really important to maintain good standards. This has a big impact on guest satisfaction. The second piece of advice would be that it's better to do this little and often rather than leaving for a long time and then having to do a lot of refurbishment all at one time, as that will cause lots of disruption for guests who are in the hotel at that time. This brings an end to the short video guide helping you to learn how to make decisions on refurbishment within HOTS. Thank you very much.